Today we're doing a motherboard repair on a ThinkBook 14S Lenovo computer. So first you gotta remove the battery and then unplug all the connections from the motherboard, the hard drive, the keyboard, the battery, the CMOS battery, the LCD, the fans, everything. And then undo the screws to the motherboard, open up the hinge so you can take it out. Put the new motherboard back in, connect everything back up, apply some thermal paste, and then make sure the antennas are around the right way, connect them to the board, and last but not least, don't forget to plug the battery back in.